You'll probably recognize the following situations. You come home tired after a busy day, or you're just happy once the housework is done and you've put the children to bed. Then you might sometimes long for a time out or a short holiday. We can make this wish come true for you at your home with the Forever Aroma Spa Collection, article number 285. The collection includes 3 harmonized products offering an all-round pampering program.
Yes, the Forever Aroma Spa Collection offers relaxation for all your senses, with ingredients such as our Forever Aloe Vera, essential oils of lavender and bergamot, as well as fruit extracts from lemon, mimosa, and also from cucumber and white tea. Actually, since you mentioned a short holiday, Pia, there's something I'd like to emphasize specially, the lavender oil ingredient. The special essence of lavender could be described in one sentence: energy from calmness.
That's true. When I smell lavender, I dive into a world of relaxation where I can recharge my batteries. Lavender has 2 sides. First, it calms you down, then it gives you energy. That's why a time out with the Forever Aroma Spa Collection is doubly good, effective, and of course, it's really good for your skin.
The Forever Aroma Spa Collection consists of 3 products which are perfectly tailored to each other, but which can, of course, be used and purchased individually. The Relaxation Bath Salts with the article number 286. The Relaxation Shower Gel with the article number 287, and the Relaxation Massage Lotion with the article number 288.
Right, and Relaxation Bath Salts contains the well-known and popular Dead Sea Salt, which forms its basis. Dead Sea Salt has detoxifying and purging, but also stimulating properties. And when it's combined with lavender oil and essential oils, it really relaxes both the body and the mind.
It's best to add 1 to 2 tablespoons, or simply 1 full lid to your running bath water, so it can dissolve and become fully effective. But please don't be surprised there won't be any foam.
Exactly, and then just relax in the tub for about 10 minutes before moving on to step 2. And that's washing with the Relaxation Shower Gel with the article number 287.
The Relaxation Shower Gel is the ideal addition to Relaxation Bath Salts. It's best to apply the shower gel to your body using your hands or a sponge, such as a loofah sponge, while still in the tub. Then rinse it off as usual.
But even if you don't have time for or don't feel like taking a bath, you can use the Relaxation Shower Gel like a perfectly normal shower gel. The balanced combination of Forever Aloe Vera, essential oils, and the fine aromas of lavender, bergamot, lime and cucumber extract has a harmonizing effect and invigorates the senses.
It's also perfect for your skin. You can feel in your hands how valuable and rich the oils are. But it also leaves an incredibly fresh feeling, which is great for starting the day.
And if you add a third step by applying the Relaxation Massage Lotion, you'll really feel like you've just been to a spa.
The Relaxation Massage Lotion with the article number 288 is full of all the valuable ingredients typical of the Forever Aroma Spa collection. Of course, our Forever Aloe Vera forms the basis of this wonderful body cream. We've also added lavender, bergamot, and sunflower oil, and aromas from cucumber, mimosa, and white tea.
And the white tea, a powerful antioxidant, makes sure that our skin is protected from environmental influences. All the other ingredients you just mentioned, Ralph, give our skin essential and soothing moisture, and the pleasant scent relaxes and invigorates us, stimulating our senses to the max. I guess you've probably noticed by now that the Relaxation Massage Lotion is one of my favorite products.
The sunflower oil ingredient ensures that the Relaxation Massage Lotion can be massaged into the skin really well after a bath or a shower, and isn't absorbed immediately. And in fact, you can massage even longer, but without leaving an oily film. So the husband can't stop massaging after 5 minutes any longer, pretending that the lotion has begun to crumble. With this product, the husband will have to continue to massage until she says, "Come on, let's do something else."
So, enjoy the wonderful scent and the silky skin feeling you get from using the 3 combined products of the Forever Aroma Spa collection with the article number 285. And don't be surprised if people keep asking you what that nice smell is.
Enjoy your wonderful time out at home.